Polda Metro Jaya melalui Direktorat Lalu Lintas Polda Metro Jaya bersama beberapa instansi akan menggelar Operasi Keselamatan Jaya 2022. Operasi digelar 1 sampai tanggal 14 Maret. Kapolda Metro Jaya Irjen Pol M. Fadil Imran mengungkapkan operasi ini salah satunya penegakan disiplin protokol kesehatan termasuk di jalan raya. Operasi ini harus kita dukung bersama karena salah satunya sebagai upaya untuk memutus mata rantai penyebaran COVID-19. Kata Fadil dikutip dari akun Instagram TMC Polda Metro, Rabu tanggal 23 Februari. Selain penegakan protokol kesehatan, sejumlah hal harus diperhatikan diantaranya knalpot bising, kelengkapan surat kendaraan, tanda nomor kendaraan hingga penggunaan lampu rotator.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.